Hello everyone, and today I want to show you how to adjust control center shortcuts on your iPad mini 6. Let's get started. So the control center you can find if you just swipe down from the very top, not like this but like this. And here is the control center. We can see many useful features such as low power mode, for example, or screen recording. But if you want to edit it or add some new features, you just need to open settings. Then find the control center tab, and here you will see the tab included controls and more controls. So if you don't need in your control center camera, for example, you can simply remove it by tapping like this, selecting to remove. Or if you want to add an alarm, for example, you just need to tap on the plus and it will be immediately added to the included controls. You can check it if you just swipe down like this, and here is the alarm. If you want to use it, just simply tap it like this and the application alarm will be opened immediately. So you can manage it with any other features, for example, add voice memos, quick notes, and so on. Also, you can reorder these features just by holding it like this and dragging onto the first place like this. And that's it how you use it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.